Hey Vikas, is it a good idea to invest when the market is down?
Well, you can. Market downturns can present an opportunity to invest at lower prices.
But isn't it risky? What if the market falls further after I invest?
That's a valid concern. But remember, markets move in cycles. If you stay invested for the long term, you may benefit when the market recovers.
Makes sense. So I shouldn't panic during a downturn?
It's important to stay calm and think long term. Investing systematically through SIPs, that is, systematic investment plans, can help navigate market ups and downs. However, every investment carries risks, so it's always good to assess your financial goals before making decisions.
Got it, Vikas. Staying steady and investing wisely sounds like a good approach.
An investor education and awareness initiative of Nippon India Mutual Fund. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.